Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create Truth Social account. So let's get into the video. So open up the Truth Social app. You can just download it from your App Store or your Google or your Apple Store. So once you have just downloaded, so open up your Truth Social, and then you'll see the screen here. So what you need to do, you're going to create an account. So click on create account, and then when you click on create account, it's going to ask you to get started. Hit on next, and then once you click on next, now it's going to start the process of creating your account. So here you could enter your date of birth. So once you have entered your date of birth, hit on next. So once you're done with your date of birth, now you're going to provide your email address, and once you've provided your email address, hit on next. So once you provided your email address, they'll send you a verification email to your email address. So what you're going to do, you're going to just go to your email and then open up the link to validate your email address. So once you're done with that, then I'll come back. I'll just get to go check my email and get that done. So that's the email from Truth Social. So once you open up the email, hit on confirm your email. So this will get back to you to your app here. So once you have verified your email address, now all you have to do is create a password. So I'll just do that. So once you have created your password, hit on next, and then you will ask for your phone number. So type in your phone number and hit on next. Once you have provided your phone number, then it's going to verify your phone number. So you'll get a 6-digit code with your phone number. So just enter that and then hit on next. So once you hit on next, once you have got the verification done, so now you have verified your phone number. So what you're going to do is go to select a username, like just like Twitter and other social media. You're going to select a username for you, and then once you're done with that, hit on finish. Okay, so select a username and then hit on the terms and agreement, and then hit on finish. And then once you hit on finish, so that's going to complete the account creation process, and that's it. Your account successfully created, and that's pretty much it is. You're now good to use the app. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.